Hi everyone, Giuliano here. In this video, I show you how you can use a very nice feature available in PowerToys that allows you to use the same mouse and the same keyboard across Windows devices. You can use up to 4 devices with the same mouse and keyboard. You can also share the clipboard. This means that you can copy something from a device and paste it in another one. Same mouse and same keyboard without any kind of cable or crazy configurations to do. Let me show you. Alright, let's start immediately to show you a demonstration of mouse without borders. We have seen a keyboard and a mouse, and now I'm moving my mouse across laptops. I have 2 laptops configured with the PowerToys mouse without borders, and I'm moving my cursor using the same mouse between the 2 laptops. Now I can use the same keyboard for both laptops. I am now on the left, and now I'm moving on the right of my laptop, and I pressing the Windows key, and as you can see, using the same keyboard, I'm interacting with both laptops. I'm going to copy some text that I have on my notepad, and then I'm going to paste it in my first laptop. This is very cool. And here I am on my PC. First off, what we have to do is install PowerToys. To do that, you can open the Windows Store, which is very practical and easy, or you can browse and search for PowerToys on the web. Now here in the Microsoft Store, I'm going to type PowerToys. And here we go, this is the application. Let's click on it, and now here I can install the application. Of course, I already have done this step. So this is how you can install PowerToys, first of all. Then let's open PowerToys. Here I have in the System Try icon PowerToys available. Let's double click on it, and now PowerToys opens. First of all, you may notice in the upper left corner that I'm running PowerToys as administrator. This is a very good approach because you can take advantage of the full capabilities of this tool. So this is my first suggestion. If you have the ability, turn on and check this toggle button next to the always run as administrator. Then what we have to do to enable mouse without borders. First of all, we have to identify the right element here on the left pane. Let's click on this one, and you will be redirected to the first page of the mouse without borders, where you have to turn on this functionality. First of all, you have to turn on this by clicking on the right toggle button, and then you will be able to set a security key. This is very important because this one will give you the chance to perform the connection to other devices. In my case, I have already connected this laptop with another one called Sandra Surface. So let's copy this as a first step, place the security key, and then in the device name you have to provide the computer name of the other device. And then you will do the same with the second laptop, just to make an example. In my case, as I mentioned, I added this security key, and then I added Sandra Surface name. And then you have to do and perform the same action to the second laptop. The host name or the computer name, you can grab it directly from here in PowerToys. I searched for the name of this computer, and to do that, you can in Windows 11, just open the Settings app. You will find immediately the name of your computer, of your PC here. This is the name of my Surface Laptop Studio. There are other ways to do that. Just to mention one, you can find for system information, for example, and here you can find the system name. This is also the name of your PC. Alright, we have seen different approaches how to get the computer name. Then on the second laptop I will add the name that we have seen just in a few seconds, and then you can click on Connect. When you click on Connect, PowerToys will establish the connection between the 2 clients, and then if everything works fine, you will see a green line around this computer, this laptop. This will tell you that the connection is up and running, and then you can start to use mouse without borders. Just have a look to few options. But before to do it, very important, if you have in a single row your devices, it makes sense to move your device across another and put in the right position. So for example, the main laptop for me is this one, and then to work better and productive with another laptop, I have to place it on the left or on the right, and then you have to adjust this accordingly. All right, let's jump on the options, and here we have the option that I just talked about, devices in a single row. You can turn on if you have on a single row in a single table, for example, all your devices. Otherwise, these are placed differently, and this is adjusted automatically by PowerToys. Then there is just under behavior, other important option that you can have a look. It is wrap mouse, share clipboard. This is super cool and useful if you want to copy and paste the text or files. You have to enable these two options. You can hide mouse at the screen edge, and you have many other important options, but these are the most important for my opinion. And down below you have the shortcut that you can configure. These are the default shortcut that you have. You can add a firewall rule if you have. This is pretty useful if you figure out that there are connection or connectivity issues. If, for example, the light here it's not green. If the color is not green, then there are connectivity issue, and then you have to identify what is the problem, maybe your firewall or other things. But this is from a configuration perspective what you have to do with PowerToys. All right, that's all. Cool feature, right? I hope you enjoyed this video. If yes, please consider to subscribe, like, add a comment down below if you have questions, or let me know your thoughts. I hope to see you next time. Bye.